Good morning, July 11th. I apologize I am late. Went for an early morning bike ride and completely lost track of time. So now we're after 10 and looks like we are rallying, looking quickly at the larger time frames. Um, yeah, we are long bias but in a tight range. I don't like that. So as you can see for now, both accounts are disabled. Both Autotraders here are disabled. We have these two accounts. I might have to reduce my daily profit target because it looks like we might be in the range here. I don't want to, yeah. So I have this 2-minute precision trend chart, just kind of give me a direction. So, well, I wasn't here, but you see earlier here, but perfect volatility stop test and bounce. Now the volatility stop is at 38, 39. So this is the small chart that would go along with this setup. And on the chart on the right, we're trading above the daily range filter. I'm sorry, I'm trying to talk and look at the same time at different charts. I hate to kind of come in like this and start trading after being late for the open. I love the market open time because it's just so quick, and I missed the first half hour here. But that's all right. We'll see if we can do anything from this point. Okay, sign off. Is this number significant? Let me see. Yeah. Has some minor significance. Okay, so here now we are testing the daily range. And then we'll turn this on, I guess, either way. Let's see if once we test the range again, if we're gonna start trading below it, the other trader is gonna take a short. If we now take with the precision trend here, we'll go long, we're gonna take a long trade. Here we're coming close to the volatility stop. Let's try and turn this on. Oops, lost the chart, it's alright. So I'm too sharp. Okay, I'm going to disable this long. I don't like it so much now. And we took a short because we closed the bar below the daily range filter. Alright, so this actually would still be a valid trade because we just tested the volatility stop, but closed above it. I don't know. Again, I don't like to have two accounts trading against each other, so since I already took a short over here, maybe I shouldn't take a long on this one. But it will definitely have worked. I mean, those of you who try this will definitely be able to at least scalp over here, if not hitting some first targets. Now if we come out, it's going to switch to long, and we'll take a loss on the short. Yeah, but this is a typical summer trading, and we're just bouncing within a range. Very difficult to have any kind of longer, bigger targets. Alright, so let's see if we can close below the volatility stop. Definitely help our short for the trade on the right. Yeah, just refusing to break it. Look at that. Tests it and comes back up. I would like it to break it and keep on going lower. Right, let's see if we can just keep on breaking now. Keep on breaking. Definitely have some support here, but it's a minor support. They should be able to do it. Ha! Alright, well, precision trend did go bearish here. But we still need to break to some lower numbers to fill our first target. Well, back where we started. Now I will be ready to start, well, volatility stop here is not until 49. I'm gonna have to wait on this. Could this be that important of a support? I don't think so. Oh, maybe it is, I don't know. Still think I'm gonna break it. I lost my 2-minute chart again. Gotta do it in a better way. Alright, let's see if we can break lower. Alright, so we're trying again here. Lost my 2-minute chart again. Okay, break. Where really the next 2 months are going to be like this? It's a bit discouraging. Come on, break. Here we go. Break. Right, so while we wait here, there was another question regarding funded accounts, Top Step versus Trader. So I do not have a Top Step funded account. I did try Top Step before I purchased the Autotrader, and I was not successful. What I don't like about Top Step though is that you have to reach the profit target twice. And the whole time you're paying monthly fees for the combine. So I don't like that. With one app, you reach your target once and you are funded, and then next time you make money, you just can withdraw it. And so I don't really understand why TopStep makes you do it twice. One reason I can think of is that they believe that the vast majority of people will not be able to do so, and so they just collect the money for the combines. But definitely they've been around for a long time. But I can tell you that I've had no issues with Trader when it comes to getting paid, or anything else for that matter. The customer support is great. They respond quickly to any questions you might have. So I don't see why you would want to have to reach that profit target twice before you are funded. But again, I am not a spokesman for anyone, and no one is paying me to say anything. These are just my opinions. And Autotrade is not a bad company, definitely. I mean, I did not collect any money from them yet, so it still remains to be seen if they actually pay. But they did refund me the price of the combine, which never happened with Autotrader. They gave me the refund of the cost of the combine, which was really nice. To get a refund, you must complete the profit target while trading 60 days. I think they require 30 out of 60 days and at least once a week. And if you can do that while having a drawdown of less than 2%, you're going to get a refund on your combine. I think my drawdown was 1.2%. They're just chopping back and forth. I think, I don't know. Maybe if this trade here works out and the trade on the right, I'll just stop. I really don't feel like sitting here all day. I guess it's summertime and I'm a bit spoiled. I don't know. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is funny. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Look at the support here. That's the problem. But they're going to break it. They'll break it. I don't even remember if I showed that these are live accounts. Both of them are live. And come on. Boy, is this frustrating. Look at that. It's like 2 ticks. Yeah, this is frustrating. Okay, so I'm just going to engage the arbitrator on the left to take a short here. Now they're pretty much short from the same area. Hopefully this was just stop run, and now they're going to go lower. Precision trend, still bearish. All the higher time frames are getting bearish as well, so that gives me some confidence here. It's just, it takes them so long. They just chop around, they fish for stops. Okay, come on. Don't do this to me again. All right, so we have target one on the left. Target one on the right. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna put break even on both here. We're just gonna keep on chopping here. I'll just stop it now. Obviously, I'm nowhere near any of my daily targets, but I just don't want to spend the day like this. Look at this. Let me disable the arbitrator for now. Okay, so somehow we survived by a tick. This is really bad. again, the daily target would get filled before this one. As long as they keep going lower. I'm gonna start trailing. Both. I'm gonna be trailing now. Whatever it is. Not spending all day here. Okay, keep breaking now. Okay, looking good. We'll continue to trail by 50%. Continue to trail, continue to trail. Oh, this one's done. Okay, so the chart on the left is done for the day. This one is 300. This chart has 500. Daily target. You can see 300 target and stop. If it breaks again, I'm going to trail by 50% again. It is. To secure as much profit as possible without the bouncing in my face. Here we go. And I'm done for the day here. Great. All right. So, 429 and 299, and definitely this one is a bit slightly short of the daily target of 500. I still have another account that I did not trade yet, but at this point, I'm just going to put the video on pause. I'm going to walk away a little bit, maybe eat some breakfast, and if there are any other opportunities, I'll just resume the video.